Morning everybody, this is Mr. Dakota with grade 8 algebra. Today we're going to be talking about combining like terms. Okay? So a term is part of an expression to be added or subtracted. Like terms are terms with the same variable raised to the same power. It is very important that it is the same variable raised to the same power. Okay, that is the key with this whole thing. A coefficient is a number multiplied by a variable. So anything that is in front of the variable is called the coefficient. Okay? So if we look at this here, we have 4n plus n. It is understood that there's both a 1 here. Okay? And it's also understood that there's a 1 in front of that. Okay? So this would just end up being 5n. We do not add the numbers here above that, okay? The powers, we do not add those, okay? We only add those when we multiply like terms, okay? So let's take a look here. This is not a like term because it does not have a 2 here, okay? These are not like terms because it is the same variable, but it is not raised to the same power. Let's take a look over here to your right, and we can see here we have 12x plus 30x. We are able to add those or subtract those, so this would just end up being 42x. Okay, anything that does not have variable, okay, here is considered a like term, so this would just end up being 171. You have negative 8r minus r. Remember that there's a 1 here in front of that, even though it is understood, even though there is not a number there. So negative 8r minus 1r is a negative 9r. Okay, you have a negative 3a plus 9a. Again, the math rules still apply. Same variable raised to the same power. Okay, that would just end up being a 6a. And then here we have 5a squared plus 5a to the third. These are not like terms. Okay, because this is a to the squared and this is a to the third. We cannot do anything with those. Okay, so just to reiterate, a term is part of an expression to be added or subtracted. Like terms are terms with the same variable raised to the same power. A coefficient is a number multiplied by a variable. Okay, here's an example here of coefficients. Okay, this here we were able to add because it is the same variable n raised to the same power, which was the first power. So that would just be 5n. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much and have a good day.